So now let us learn the easy cal trick of cubing any numbers from 1 to 100. So let's take the example of 32. What is 32 cube? The easy cal trick for cubing any numbers from 1 to 100 would be that you take this digit as A and this digit as B. Last time also we did the same thing. We took this digit, the units digit, as B, and this digit, it was 1, so we took as 1, but this time it is not 1, so we are taking it as A. Alright. Now see the pattern in which we are going to put the digits. So it would be A cube, A square B, A B square, and B cube. In the next line we are going to double up these two numbers. So 2 times A square B and 2 times AB square. Then we simply add the numbers. Alright, so this is the pattern that we are going to follow. So now let's try to cube 32 using this pattern. So A cube would be 3 cube, that is 27. Now A square B, so 3 square is 9 and 9 2 times is 18. Okay, so double of 18 is 36. Alright, now AB square, so B square is 4 and 4 3 times is 12, so we write 12 here and double of 12 is 24. Now B cube, so 2 cube is 8. Now just simply add the numbers. It would be 8, 4 plus 2 is 6, 8 plus 1 is 9, 9 plus 6 is 15, 15 plus 2 is 17, carry forward 1, 1 plus 1 is 2, 2 plus 27 is 29, and 29 plus 3 is 32. So this is what the answer is, 32768. Okay, so let's take another example and try to find its cube. So what is 53 cube? So A cube is 5 cube, that is 125. Now A square B, that is 5 square is 25, 25 3 is 75. So write 75 here and double of 75 is 150 using the doubling trick of faster calculation. Now AB square, so B square is 9 and 9 5 times is 45. So write 4 here, 5 here, and double of 45 is 90. Again using the doubling trick. And B cube is 3 cube, that is 27. Now just add these digits together to get the answer. 7, 5 plus 2 is again 7, and 7 plus 1 is 8, 8 plus 5 is 13, 13 plus 5 is 18. So 1 comes here, 1 plus 12 is 13, 13 plus 1 is 14. So this is the answer. If you remember, while we were trying to cube the numbers from 11 to 19, we had this thing as 1, the A as 1, and B was B only, isn't it? And that is why wherever you are seeing A, it was 1 there. So A cube was 1, A square B was B, isn't it? 1 square is 1 only. AB square was B square only, B cube was B cube only, and the next thing, it was again the double of this. So now do you see the relationship between the two patterns? This is the general pattern, isn't it? With this you can find any number, the cube of any number from 1 to 100, and with this pattern you can find the cube of numbers from 11 to 19. So let's find 72 cube. So 7 cube is 343. Here you should memorize these. Alright, okay. Now 7 square is 49 and 49 2 times is 98. So write 9 here, 8 here, and double of 98 is, using the doubling technique, it is 196. Okay, now 2 square is 4 and 4 7 times is 28. So write 2 here and 8 here, and double of 28 is 56. Again doubling technique. Alright, and 2 cube is 8, so put 8 here. Now just add these digits. It would be 8, 8 plus 6 is 14, and carry forward 1. This would be 3, 11, 17, and 22. Carry forward 2 here. This would be 11, 11 plus 3 is 14. 14 plus 9 is 23. So write 3 here and carry forward 2. So 34 plus 2 is 36 and 36 plus 1 is 37. So this is what your answer is. The value of 72 cube.